For my next video, I'd like to do one on wireless emergency alerts. So I'm using my Galaxy S25 Ultra and I'm on One UI 8 Beta 3. However, I know this works for One UI 7 and probably the S22, 23, 24. It just looks a little differently. So we're going to go ahead and just, as I always say, dive right in here. So let's go into the settings. And you want to scroll down to safety and emergency. And then wireless emergency alerts. And here we have them. It's allow alert. So if you don't want them, you can turn them off. However, there's some here that you may not ever want to turn off, and there's some that you may not ever want on. So like extreme threats, severe threats, amber alerts. I don't have children, so most of these I could actually in all reality turn off. Public safety messages, state and local tests, Spanish, I don't know why that's on there. Speak alert, vibration is on. So this is, I thought I saw one for earthquakes too, but I guess not. National alerts, national warning messages cannot be turned off. So like if the president is coming or something national wise happen to be, it'll happen. I got a couple weather related ones too that were in here. Maybe they just changed the state and local received test messages from state and local authorities. Emergency alert history. Okay, here we go. A little while back on a tornado warning. So that was a National Weather Service. So that would be emergency alert history. So yeah, see, as long as I've had this phone, which has been a little more than a year, I've gotten one, and it was a tornado warning, and I already knew that was happening. So then you can also have the reminder to set that'll keep going off. So if any of these actually apply to you, they're great. For me, I'll just turn them off. It's pointless for me to have them on. So that's my video on wireless emergency alerts. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.